Jim Jaber and UD hosting Central Michigan. We start with Andrea Hoover. Really cannot say enough about her. Last year became the first Flyer to be named Atlantic 10 Player of the Year. Just look at the moves right there. She's got range as well. Bellbrook native, averaging 20 points per game through 9 contests this year. She scores 25 today. In the first half, though, Central Michigan, they built a double-digit lead. That's because they were knocking down some threes. Chippewas, man, they were feeling good. Look at this. I promise these are not instant replays. It's just one right after another, after another. However, the cure for the ailments, well, it's a lot of Malott. Malott, she scores 25 as well in the win. The Middletown native ties her career high, and UD improves to 6-3 with its 5th straight win, 86-76, the final today.